I remember sitting at my kitchen counter one morning and suddenly realizing I couldn't count on my pension anymore. I had to do something. That same week, a friend of mine introduced me to a new program. It was online and worked for him. I must admit I was skeptical. I tried others and really I got nowhere. But immediately I looked at this program, I knew this was different. Everything was done for me. I didn't have to figure it out alone. And within a few weeks, I'd already made over $100 online using somebody else's system. That just changed everything for me. I felt hope again. And more than that, I felt capable again. If you're in a place that you really feel stuck, just like I was, comment ready and let's start your turnaround today.